Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today we're going to do the unboxing for Nokia 5310 2020 phone guys. Really amazing phone. This is the Express Music phone which was really famous back in the days. Now they relaunched it as this their original series device guys. First of all, the price is 3,949 rupees. In dollars it is 44 US dollars. Okay guys, so as you can see on the back it says 2.4-inch display, and then there is a dual speaker, and then the battery timing is also mentioned here. And you can also use it as a second phone, and it is ideal for people who are looking for good battery timing because it will work for days guys. So this is really amazing. So let me do the unboxing. I will open the phone box, and you can see here, so it is white and red in color. Very nice feeling guys. You can see here, this is white and red color. It also come in black red color as well. So this is how it looks like, and then we see what else in the box. You can see here it comes with a charger. That's a micro USB charger. Okay guys, so then there is a battery. Okay, so this is a battery which is 1200 milliampere, which is really amazing. If we look at the phone, you can see here 1200 milliampere battery. Okay guys, so you can see here it has, if we talk about this red option, it has play pause button, then there is a forward reverse button, and then on this side there is a volume up and down button. So I will open it and I will put the battery inside, and I will also show you what's at the back of the phone. So you can see here there is a sim 1 option, then there is a sim 2 option, so dual sim option, and you can put micro SD card here. Okay guys, so I will put the battery. Okay, and I will turn this on. Okay guys, so the second thing that I want to mention you is it has dual speakers. You can see here there is one speaker over here and then one speaker over here. They are stereo speakers. Okay guys, so it has very old school Nokia feeling, really nice build quality, and it is polycarbonated shell, and micro SD card slot I already told you it has inside. And let's make it on. Let's power on. So Nokia branding when you power it on, and you can see here that's a typical very iconic Nokia sound. And then there is a, it asks me about the settings for date and time, and then I will put the settings as on, and then here I'll put back. So now it is on. I already done some settings, automatic settings. So this is how it looks like guys. There is a light behind these numbers, so when you turn this on. Okay, so the other thing, it does have Bluetooth, and you can see here if I go into the menu, so there is a setting connectivity option. If I go, there is a Bluetooth option guys, but it does not have Wi-Fi, but it does have internet connectivity. It means, so if you pop in your sim and you have internet in your sim card, so you can use the internet via your sim card, but it does not have Wi-Fi. Okay, the other good thing about this phone, it has Facebook. Okay, it's preloaded, and of course you have the snake game. You can see here, this is the snake game. So this is how. So but I try to play the snake game before. It does not give me the feeling of the previous snake game. So let me turn this off. So it is not very, it does not feel nostalgic like the old snake game, but it's pretty much there. And if we talk about the speaker, the speakers are loud and nice. You can also check the weather. You can also check the weather. Then there is a calculator option as well. Then there is a calculator option, yes, and then alarm clock, okay, and then there is a calendar as well, okay. There is a calendar option as well here, okay. And then there is a FM radio, and you can also play videos, but you need micro SD card, okay. So let's move on to the camera. So I will show you the camera. So camera is like that. uh, you can also, you can see here, I'm trying to take the picture, okay. So this is how the camera works. You can also zoom it as well. You can zoom from here, you can see there is a zoom option as well, okay. And the other good thing about this phone, you can put 2000 contacts in the phone book, and it has 8 MB RAM and it has 16 MB storage. But you can increase the storage, as I already mentioned, by putting the memory card, okay guys. And on the top it has, you can see here, this is for the charging, micro USB charging. Then there is a 3.5 mm headphone jack. It comes with the headphones as well, guys. So it's support Bluetooth 3.0, and it has MP3, 3G2, 3GP and AMR file option. The weight is only 80 gram. The rear camera is VGA. It also has LED flash. For people looking for music playing device, this is really amazing phone. You don't have to go inside to change the music or to play. You don't have to go really inside. You can use just these buttons to play your music, okay guys. The battery will go on for days, as I already mentioned. It is 1200 milliampere, and literally works. If you don't use it, will work for like weeks, okay guys. So battery timing is really amazing. Durability is really nice. Nokia branding is on the back, you can see here. You have music control, as I already mentioned. It does not support WhatsApp, guys. And you can see here, then there is the extra options as well. If you go to extra options, so there is the video option, you can see here. But these videos will work when you have a memory card inside. And then there is, there are games, other games as well. If you go to extra, there is a countdown timer, stopwatch, torch, converter. You can convert currencies, you can convert weight, temperature, this kind of stuff. So I will make more videos about this Nokia phone, about its settings and other important features of this phone. So this is for today, for this Nokia phone, guys. So I hope you really like the video. I hope you really enjoy the video. So please, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, guys.